What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the "something went wrong" error you are getting when trying to watch YouTube videos on your iPhone. This error can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to watch a video and YouTube just isn't cooperating. The first step is to completely close the YouTube app. Sometimes, YouTube or any other app can encounter a temporary glitch, and a restart can resolve the issue. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. You will see all open apps displayed in an app switcher window. Swipe up on the YouTube app to close it fully. This ensures that the app isn't running in the background. After closing it, open YouTube again and see if the error is gone. If not, proceed to the next step. The "something went wrong" error might actually be due to a poor or unstable internet connection. Let's make sure your connection is stable. Open a web browser like Safari on your iPhone. Try loading a website to see if it opens correctly. If the web page loads without any issues, your internet connection is likely working fine. If the web page doesn't load or is slow, try moving closer to your Wi-Fi router or switch to cellular data. Once your connection is stable, open YouTube again to see if it works. If closing the app and checking your internet didn't solve the problem, a simple restart of your device can help. Restarting clears temporary files and refreshes the iOS system, which can resolve minor glitches. Swipe down from the top right to open a control center and tap on the power button at the top right. A drag to turn off screen will appear. Drag the slider to the right to power off your device. Once it's fully off, press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo, which indicates that your iPhone is starting up again. After your iPhone restarts, open YouTube to check if the error is resolved. If restarting didn't work, it might be helpful to reinstall the YouTube app. Reinstalling can fix issues caused by corrupted files within the app. On your home screen, locate the YouTube app icon. Press and hold until a menu appears. Select Remove App and then Delete App to confirm. After deleting, open the App Store, search for YouTube and download the app again. Once the app is reinstalled, open YouTube, log back in if necessary, and see if the issue is fixed. Reinstalling also ensures you're using the latest version of the app, which may contain bug fixes. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.